She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. We're doing a requested blend. Someone wanted pastel colors. They wanted a light blue, a pink, and a light purple. So we're going to be blending those colors together. As I was blending, I was definitely getting a Barbie vibe, like a Nicki Minaj Barbie vibe from this blend. So y'all let me know if y'all feel the same way. Should I name this Barbie? Should I name this Nicki Minaj Barbie? I think when I put it up, I'm just gonna go ahead and name it Pastels. But y'all let me know if I should change it to, you know, Nicki. For my new viewers that don't know by now, if you watch the video until the very end, you'll get to see what the blend looks like as a braid. So make sure to stick around for that. And I will let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you like the video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And also leave a comment below of a blend that you'd like to see that I haven't already done. And I hope you guys stay blessed, stay protected, stay filled with love and peace. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.